Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Hopefully everyone will stick around and see how I achieve this look. So we're hopping straight into the video. I'm going to spray my face with MAC Fix Plus to prime, as well as Too Faced Hangover primer. I'm going to go ahead and spread that all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with Nars and Fit Me foundation. I'm going to mix the two because this is my summer complexion, which is super crazy and tan and uneven tan and etc. I'm going to dab that in with my beauty blender just to go ahead and mix those two colors together even more and go ahead and smooth that out on my face. Next, I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my T-zone above my lip, under my lip, and blend that out with my beauty blender as well. Next, I'm going to go in with LA Girl to contour. I will leave the color down in the description box. I'm going to start blending that out with a brush, and then I'm going to go back in using my beauty blender to just make sure it's not super muddy and everything is blended out with my foundation and my concealer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my nose contour with a blending brush as well as a blending sponge. But first I'm going to use the eyeshadow blending brush just to kind of smooth that out. Next, I'm going to go in with Makeup Revolution's banana powder. I recently discovered this and I love this setting powder so much. There's a toss-up between this and my Laura Mercier, but for today I'm going to use this specific one to set. For blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte blush. Again, I'll leave the color down below. I like to kind of go crazy with my blush just to deposit and add a little bit more color back to my face after setting it with such a light powder. And this also sets my contour as well. My little fake smile to apply my blush. Next, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use those two colors to go ahead and blend out that eyebrow and pretty much blend in that nose contour with my brows. Next, I'm going to go in with a NYX lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. After lining my lips, I'm going to use my favorite Colourpop matte color in Limbo just to add a little bit of color to this look because it is an everyday look and it's pretty basic, so this is going to give us that pop that this look may be lacking. And again, you can use any color that you want. This is where you can customize this look and, you know, amp it up or kind of simmer it down and keep it on that basic everyday look. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face again with that MAC setting spray that we used in the beginning. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. I don't wear lashes every day, so I wanted to keep this as my everyday look, so I did not apply lashes. If you would like, you definitely can apply lashes as well at this point. Here I'm just adding a little bit of mascara to give my eyebrows a little bit of color. I didn't do my eyebrows today, so they're pretty basic, so I just want to keep them in place with a little bit of that mascara that will match my lash color as well. And this is the final look. This is the look without freckles. If you want to add freckles, stay tuned. So for these faux freckles, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. I'll leave the color down below. And I'm just going to literally just dot all over my cheeks and all over my nose where natural freckles would be. You can go as crazy as you want. When adding these freckles, I kept it pretty calm for this everyday look. After drawing on our freckles, I'm going to use my beauty blender just to kind of smush those freckles into my face so they look a little bit more natural. And then our look is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching.